In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to transfer NFL tickets on Ticketmaster.com. Let's get started. First, launch your Ticketmaster app or navigate to the official website of Ticketmaster, provide your credentials and log into your account. After you log in, navigate to the section My Events. Now select the event that contains the ticket you want to transfer. After opening the event, locate your ticket and look for the transfer button. If the transfer button is grayed out, it means that the ticket is not eligible for the transfer. However, if the option is available, tap on transfer and select the specific ticket or seat that you would like to send. Next, tap the transfer button again and enter the recipient's first name, last name and email address. You may also have the option to add a personal note along with the transfer. Once you have filled in all the required information, review the details carefully and confirm the transfer. That's it. The recipient will receive an email with instructions on how to accept and claim the ticket in their own Ticketmaster account. So this way you can easily transfer NFL ticket from Ticketmaster to anyone else. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.